Did I offend? Have I offended anybody since you know me?
I have. Kamsi, listen. You haven't offended anyone. God is watching. I am certain He will let you have your children in due time.
I don't want to hear that again. I'm tired. I'm tired of all this good. Why?
It's okay. It's okay.
Uche. Sing outside.
Because we can face tomorrow. Because He lives.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.